What's going on, guys? Alright, so I have another little kit here from Countycomm. This one looked really cool. This is a Vosteed knife, or Vosteed, excuse me, whatever, you know me, in pronunciations. And Countycomm, so they collabed together. This is the Ultem kit mini Nightshade. Alright, so let me show you this on their website real quick. Alright, so they're selling this for $94.95. It says limited to 500. I'll scroll up here and read it. Limited 2 per customer, serialized run, 1 to 500 cc single batch exclusive. Upgraded Ultem scales, upgraded titanium thumb studs, includes a custom Countycomm patch, plus basic to basic flashlight by Maratac, a $40 value. So, interesting. Alright, let's check this out. Now, I just opened this and I checked it out briefly, like maybe literally 10 minutes ago, and I threw a battery in the flashlight. Alright, because I knew there was a light in here, but I wanted to make sure I was prepared for that because it did not come with a battery. So I make that clear. Let's see. Alright. So, Countycomm ink. Oh, 10% off. Tie compass, if you want to use that. Offer good for the next 30 days. Alright, well, someone will get that. Then we got a little sticker, Countycomm. This is their other Ultem knife, the fixed blade, which is very cool. We got another little sticker, above, beyond, Countycomm. Very cool. Alright, so, light knife. I don't see a patch, but there is a pen. Right? Okay, let's check it out. Those are decals, right? No, there's no patch. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there's a patch in there. That's possible. But we've seen these pens before. These are pretty neat. And got their little glow-in-the-dark, or not glow-in-the-dark, reflective, excuse me, the black and reflective. Alright, so this pops out, snaps in there. We got a little lightweight pen, very cool. I dig these. Alright, so let's check out the light first. So this light will work with the following cell types: AAA, also nickel metal hydride 1.5 volt cells, and 10440 lithium cells. Alright, very cool. Alright, oh, it does have a diffuser on it, which is nice. A little accessories pack. We got, let's see, an O-ring, split ring, and a carabiner clip. Very cool. Alright, so button on the back. I didn't even, when I put the battery in here, I didn't even notice this. How dumb. I just threw a battery in real quick. Okay, so it is removable. Looks like there's a glow-in-the-dark ring in there too. We'll see in a second. But yeah, well, actually we'll save that for a second. Alright, so just single AAA, little pocket clip on there, which is removable if you don't want it. And a button. A button. I remember these Maratac lights. They were so cool back in the day. A total value. But they always had the twist heads. But now we have a clicky switch, right? A button. Alright, so what are our modes here? Half press. So high, low, strobe. Very simple. High, low, strobe. But it stays on high, right? Because most of you probably end up using high first. Let's charge that up. Actually, we don't need to. We'll pop it on the end. Alright, so there's our little diffuser. So this gives us an area light. Instead of throw, it's all spill in every which way. Make sure that's straight. Alright, shut it off. There you go, glows in the dark. Hold on, I gotta put this on straight. It's bothering me. There we go. Alright, so yeah, we got glow in the dark. Very cool. I dig it. Alright, so Maratac light, love it. There's our knife. Mini Nightshade, 14C28N satin blade. PI handles, Countycomm exclusive. So this is supposed to be limited to 500 pieces and serialized. Alright. Oh. Alright, so there's our patch, our Vosteed or Vosteed, and then our Countycomm patch too. So it's kind of cool. I like that. A little collaboration. You got both patches on there. Alright, here's a knife. A little cloth. A little pouch. Oh man, this thing weighs nothing. Super, super lightweight. Very cool. So this has the Ultem scales. That's what's making this exclusive, as well as titanium thumb studs. Alright, which is very interesting. So ambidextrous. Very cool. Very like the whole knife just, it reminds me of like Ed Kemp's stuff from Spyderco. You know, his designs were very Asian influenced, like the barong machete and stuff. But yeah, we have a little axis lock here. Alright, super smooth, flicks open. Locks up very strong. And just, I cannot express how lightweight this thing is. And it's very cool too, obviously. The Ultem allows you to see, you know, all the moving parts and stuff. You know, the mechanism. Just kind of cool. Alright, looking through there, seeing what's going on. I dig it. Pocket clip. Let's see. Yeah, nice little springiness to it. There's our markings, the 14C28. Oh, there it is. 437 out of 500. So yeah, limited to 500 pieces. Very, very cool. I like that a lot. This is going to go right into the EDC. Start carrying this. Again, I can't express how light this thing weighs. I have to look and I have to see. Let's see. I don't know if the website has it. The specs. Hang on. Let's see. Blade. 2.6 inches. Handle. Crossbar lock. Action. Ah, there is specs. Lots of specs. Alright, where is weight? Weight, 2.1 ounces, 61 grams. I don't believe that. It feels lighter. It feels lighter than 2 ounces. That's crazy. But yeah, alright, cool. Let's see, what's this? 10% off. Oh, throw your email, you get 10% off. Alright. Yeah, I dig it. Very, very cool. So there you go. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about that Ultem. I know lots of people love it. Handful of people out there says it looks like something came out your, you know, smoking grandmother's living room. Some people think it looks like it was made in the 70s. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I'm into the Ultem stuff. Now, I'm not like obsessed, like I need everything Ultem, but as you guys saw with my first order from Countycomm, I went a little nuts with the Ultem stuff. It was new and fancy and different, you know, so I dig it. Not everyone's into it, and that's cool. I understand. But anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.